Welcome back friends, and if in your mobile you are facing network issue, then in this video I am going to tell you one code and one application. After doing these things which I am telling in this video, you will certainly found improved performance in your mobile. So if you are using MI, Vivo or any other mobile, when you are going to the dialer pad and you are dialing star hash 4636 hash star, then you will land upon one screen. But in Samsung mobile it is not happening. Then what we need to do in Samsung mobile, we will go to the Play Store and download 5G only. 5G only. Okay, we will download it, and then I have already downloaded it, so I will open it. Now it will open. Then set 5G only. After that it will tap on here. So now select the SIM which you want to improve the network. From here you will select the SIM and then go below, and then when you will go below you will find here SMSC. Then what you need to do, just refresh it and then update it. After updating, just go back, and here you now use this mobile and you will see. And if you are still facing, then what you need to do, just go to the setting and then search for reset, then reset network setting, and from here reset network setting. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile, Bluetooth. Only stored passwords will not be there. You have to enter the passwords again. So reset setting, and it will ask for pattern and then reset it. So after resetting it, just go to the developer option. How to activate developer option, I have already made a video. Just go and here search for Wi-Fi throttling. It will come. Go below Wi-Fi scan throttling and turn it on. It will reduce the battery drain and improve network performance. So these 3-4 settings you need to do for Samsung mobile. In other mobile you can do these settings by that code I have told in the starting of this video. So this is all I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the channel, please do consider to subscribe this. Thank you very much.